Cheers to the valley. Dive into the heart of the Barossa Vintage Festival, capturing the rich legacy of one of South Australia's most celebrated wine regions. Beginning with golden shots of the Barossa Hills at sunset, the scene's set with soft, rolling vineyards basking in a warm glow, reflecting the region's time-honored beauty. As the festival unfolds, locals and visitors raising their glasses in a toast to Barossa's timeless traditions. The iconic hills, visible behind groups of festival-goers, stand as a symbol of both heritage and pride, while each clink of wine glasses resonates with the spirit of community and appreciation for local craftsmanship. In sweeping shots, experience artisans showcasing handcrafted goods, winemakers pouring vintage blends, and an array of vibrant gatherings. Intimate market stalls filled with regional specialties, while the elegant Barossa Vintage Festival, in flowing script over the clinking glasses, emphasizes the unity of tradition, taste, and celebration. The music, laughter, and storytelling by locals breathe life into the festival's values, transforming viewers into virtual guests. Perfect for wine lovers, festival enthusiasts, and admirers of South Australian culture. This video provides an immersive view of Barossa's festive and flavorful spirit. Sit back, raise a glass, and take in the rich scenery, deep traditions, and joyful unity of Barossa Valley's festival season.